Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark, and I'm back to do an enveloping. And now, what did I get this time, y'all? So no chit chat, let's go and see what I got. Here it is, folks. A Perusal bulk autograph from the 1996 hit film, The Craft. Should have put the name Nancy in it. Maybe at another time when I meet her, maybe she'll put it. Oh, what the heck. So yeah, I got a Nancy Down autograph, and she was in The Wizard of Oz 1985. It was a different movie. I forgot what the other. Yeah, it was a Wizard of Oz movie, 1985, and not a remake. I believe it was. Oh, what the heck it was. And then she would later be appearing in other projects, then this film, The Craft, and then would later play Vicky, the love interest, in The Waterboy 1988, and would be in Almost Famous, and would later do other projects over the years. And then 2018, she reprised the role of Nancy Downs in The Craft Legacy, but it was a little unwell received, but at least in the cameo ending scene, the character Lily finally meets her mom, and her mother reveals to be Nancy Downs. And holy cow, she has a daughter. Oh my god. And I wonder if they're going to do another sequel. Please let it focus on the female aspects, and as well as what went on and how the heck she got locked up and how the heck she became a mother. That's a big mystery right there, folks. So anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark. So anyway, before signing off, let's give a shout out to the thing of ours, to the collectors out there. Also, if you like videos, if you like content like this, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, you have opinions, comments down below as well. And also, I'm in the YouTube community. I often post what time I post videos at a certain time around the afternoon hours, or at 6 p.m. in the evening, 6 or 7 p.m. the latest, to see the videos first viewing. So anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Monday, y'all, and later.